guys, live from Bangkok, Thailand. We're at the CMC facility. CMC is DMC's car storage facility. It's a place where we keep our cars, keep our friends' cars, maintain them, wash them. But it's also a place where we can just meet and hang out to have fun. And today I'm in a very special car. It's from my friend. It's a Mercedes Benz. You can see the star. And it's a special one, not your regular Benz. It's not even just your regular special AMG. It's a Black Series. If you have seen the title already, you know what I'm talking about. It's a SL65. I want to invite you today to come with me and take a look at this car. Let's go together. DMC Live.
That's it. I hope you really enjoyed this view of this amazing AMG Mercedes-Benz SL65 as much as I did. If you want to see more of these kind of videos, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you can, hit the video with a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I'll see you next time for the next video. DMC Live.